Good, good job. If you're going too fast, turn into the mountain. That's great, Emma. Emma, go work. All right, girls, let's keep going. You're doing awesome. Good job, Emma. Good job, Caroline. Here, let's take a break right here till Emma gets here. You good, Emma?
To be honest, we should have started on this.
Okay, let's keep going. Come on. You okay, Caroline?
Yeah.
Big turns. This is the steep part. Big turns.
Why does it stay slow?
They're trying to have you slow down because another trail comes in here. Emma, this way.
It's almost time for straight.
Yep, almost time for French fries. All right, Emma, you want to let it rip? Emma, go ahead. Go. French fries. Go, go. Emma, French fries. Just go straight. I see why you're going slow. That binding sucks a little bit. Emma, you're doing awesome! Give me a thumbs up. Yeah. GoPro, stop capture.